Hi, I am Penny, and I'm going to be making high-protein banana bread chickpea smoothie. So we are going to be using a banana, vanilla, ice, a teaspoon I think. It's 1/2, I don't know what that means. Chickpeas, oats, ground cinnamon, milk, cups to pour it in at the end, raisins, walnuts, and a light for the light. Okay, let's start making it. Oh, and I forgot, we're going to be using a blender to blend it all together. The first thing is, place all ingredients into a high-speed blender and blend until smooth. For a thinner smoothie, you can add more milk. Okay, let's start with this. Pour all of it. Now the chickpeas. This is gonna look so cool at the end. A banana. Do I just peel it? Peel the whole thing? Oh my god, this is hard. Walnuts. This used to be a jar of jam. Raisins. How much of this? Think about like this. How much of this? About all of that? The whole spoon? Yeah. This is hard. Oh. That got a little messy, but I did it. And now blend. Oh, the milk and the ice. Yeah. Milk, ice. I don't know how much of this to pour in. I'm nervous. Okay. And now the top. Is this sharp anywhere? Tell me, where is it sharp? Okay, how do we turn it on? Which one? Make, stir. Is it smooth? Okay, let's take the lid off and eat it. Pour it. It's heavy. This goes over here. This is banana peels. This goes over here. A few raisins are left. get a straw now. This one goes in here. This one goes in here. This one goes to you.
Thank you.
This one goes to me.
Cheers.
That's good. Bye.